Good morning, children. Let us continue with the story, The Undeserved Reward. Yesterday, we left the story at the point when Baldev has come to the narrator's house in order to request him to talk to district officer about his son. And he has given all arguments also to convince him. Let us see what is the condition of the narrator after this. I was in a great fix. All the objections that I could have put forward had already been answered by Baldev Singh. For example, he could have said that perhaps the boy had done something wrong. So Baldev has already told him that the boy was innocent. Perhaps the narrator had told him that he does not like this type of things, so he has also answered that objection also by saying this, that I know that you don't like this type of thing, but treat my son like your own son. I could not think of a valid excuse and said ultimately to get out of the predicament. Predicament means that difficult situation. All right, I shall mention it to the district officer, but it is doubtful that anything could come out of it. He does not interfere in the work of his subordinates. So he just says, he does not make a promise to Baldev. He does not even outrightly refuse him. He gives him a very vague answer that he will talk to district officer, but the hope is not there. You go and tell him about this case, repeated Baldev Singh. That is all that I ask of you. The rest will all depend on fate. Will you go tomorrow? Baldev Singh took leave of me. I completed the article I was writing and lay down to rest after finishing my meals. I had no intention whatsoever of keeping my promise to him. All I had to tell him when I met him next was that the district officer did not consider it proper to interfere in the case. So he has said that next time when he met Baldev, he would just tell him that the district officer did not interfere in this. I had completely forgotten about the incident when 8 days later Baldev Singh and his son came to see me. The son knelt and touched my feet. Baldev Singh said, "This is the boy. He has been let off without a blemish." That the son has been released from the prison without any charge put against him. The district officer called the Daroga Sahab and reprimanded, means rebuked him severely, warning him that if in future he indulged in maligning innocent and respectable people, he would be dismissed. The Daroga could not, can you guess the reason why Baldev has come to his house? Baldev has come to his house to show his thankfulness to him. The Daroga could not even show his face to me after this. It is all due to you. But for you, we would have been undone. You have saved 4 lives. When I came to you, I had my doubts whether you would help. People had told me that nobody had ever benefited through you. But I was certain that you would not let me down. And saying this, he signaled to his son, who went out and brought a huge bundle of presents. In spite of my insistence, they refused to take it back, and I could not pick up the courage to tell them that I had done nothing to deserve this reward. So look at the situation, difficult situation in which the narrator is in at the moment. Somebody is thanking him for some work which he has not done at all. So here this is the point where our reaction could have been different. He is not a brave man, so he could not tell openly that he has not done anything. But if a brave man could be there at his place, he would have refused to take the gift, saying that he has not done anything, so he did not deserve it. Anyway, the story is complete now, and tomorrow we will discuss the question answers. Thank you.